Wowee Cleaner Review. Is it really that good? Looking for a cleaner that promises to tackle every mess around your home? Meet Wowee Cleaner. Claiming to be your all-in-one cleaning solution. But is it really worth your money? Let's break it down. You're getting a multi-surface cleaner that says it cuts through grease, wipes away grime, and leave a fresh, mild scent behind. It's designed for kitchens, bathrooms, glass, and even fabrics. So it sounds like a handy product to have on standby. Here's what you love. Easy to use on multiple surfaces, pleasant, non-overpowering fragrance, great for everyday cleaning tasks. But heads up, first, it's a bit pricier than your average cleaner. Might not fully handle super tough or old stains. Lastly, glass surfaces may need extra buffing for a streak-free shine. So in a final verdict, if you want a reliable, pleasant-smelling cleaner for everyday use that simplifies your cleaning routine, Wowee Cleaner could be a great fit. Just don't expect a miracle on the toughest grime. For quick cleanups and regular shine, this one's got you covered. And that's it.